how to make PDF file in mobile from text. First, open the Google Docs app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new document. This will open a blank page. Now you can either type your text directly or paste the content you want to convert into a PDF. You can also format your text by making it bold, changing colors, or adjusting the style as needed. After finishing your editing, tap the check mark at the top to save the document. Then give your file a name in the title section. Next, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner. From the options, select Share and Export, then tap Save As. Here, choose PDF format from the available options. After that, tap the download icon. The PDF file will now be downloaded and saved in your Downloads folder. Finally, open the Downloads folder to view your newly created PDF file and check the result. And that's it! You've successfully converted text into a PDF using Google Docs on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.